be talking about a tool that I feel changed my entire sewing experience. But your entire experience with sewing could be improved if you had one. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Nye with Ellie and Mac. So today we're going to talk about the Rotary this is for pizza. I don't know how that got on my table. This is a Fiskars Comfort Loop Rotary Cutter. It retails for $15.27 and it's on sale, so it's down about $2 and change. It has a handle where you squeeze the handle and the blade is released, and then you can cut with it. I'll have a video up here showing you how to use these rotary cutters. You can lock it so that when the handle is squeezed, no blade escapes, and therefore you are not in danger of slicing your hand.
I'm not going to say that I have sliced off part of my finger at one point.
I would say that this rotary cutter, it has a really good grip. It's nice and soft. It's easy to use. The blades that come with it are extremely durable. Like this rotary cutter comes with a lifetime guarantee, and this is going to get a 5. It's a decent rotary cutter. It does what it says it does. It comes with sharp blades. It has safety mechanisms. It's easy to use. It's a 5 out of 5. This next rotary cutter I bought because it was pink.
I know. I probably should slap myself.
This is also 45 millimeters, just like the Fiskars. It's made by Hedley Tools. It costs $12.99 right now. It's down about $3.60, so it's on sale. However, even though this rotary cutter is very similar to the Fiskars, don't be fooled. It is not the same quality as the Fiskars. I will tell you that the locking mechanism, when unlocked, the blade does not retract back into the casing. So I have to physically reach here and pull the handle in to get it to go back. Now I have cleaned underneath the rotary cutter, so there's not any debris in there that's preventing it from retracting. It just doesn't anymore. And that makes me sad, because being as accident prone as I am, and I know I have told you about me being very accident prone because we're friends, this is just not I can't. This is not my cup of tea. I'm not a fan of that. I'm extremely clumsy. I need safety features to save my life. I'm just saying. I like my fingers. Hello, fingers. I don't feel like I should have to pull the handle out in order to retract the blade manually, because that's not why you buy a rotary cutter with that feature. I'm going to give this a 3 out of 5. This rotary cutter is one that I almost could not wait to talk about. I hate it so
much. Trash. Just kidding. I need to review that.
This is the Premier Blades 45 millimeter rotary cutter. It comes with 6 additional blades, which I thought, hey, okay, this is awesome. Retails for $14.99, and that's down $3, so it's on sale and has a 100% money back guarantee. However, trash. As much as I love the features, it feels just like the Fiskars. It has like the locking mechanism. It retracts into its safety case when you're not holding the handle down. However, it pretty much won't cut any fabric. I was literally trying to cut a very thin woven fabric, and it continued to skip to Maloo the entire time. This was brand new. It barely had any miles on it. In fact, it had 0 miles on it, and it just cut dashes in my fabric. It's going straight to the naughty corner after this, and I shall only be taking it out for one reason, which I will tell you at the end of this video. Okay, so this rotary cutter gets a 1 out of 5, and it only gets a 1 because of the fact that it still is a usable rotary cutter, but I already paid $15 for it, and I got 6 blades that aren't going to cut a darn thing. Isn't that a shame? You had one job. One job. This is the True Cut Comfort Cutter. Came in this package, nifty little color, okay? It comes with an extra attachment because this cutter actually has a ruler that you can purchase with it. And so this will go onto the rotary cutter as a guide for your ruler. Have you ever been rotary cutting and then actually run up on your ruler with your blade?
No. I'm the only one who does that.
Somebody needs to raise their hand and say that they are with me on this. This can be left-handed as well. It converts to left hand or right hand. It can be left or right, ambidextrous. Do it. Another feature of this that I really like is that it has this little acrylic window. You could take this out and totally put pictures of your cats. I mean your babies, your family. Okay, so this is a rotary cutter that I really like. It has this ergonomic design where you kind of can hold this way and you have even pressure as you push it across your fabric. It brings me so much joy. And it has this really nifty safety feature on the side. Lock it, unlock it, lock it, unlock it. I'm gonna need you to sit down for this. Yes, please have a seat. $24.48. And that is with a discount of $8.45 from Amazon. Even though the price is pretty steep, you know, if you don't have deep pockets, and you all know because we're friends, I'm a thrifty girl, right? I love popping the tags. There ain't no popping tags on this bad boy right here. I mean, I popped all the tags I could. It only got $8 off on Amazon. This is gonna get a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Here is my last rotary cutter. I actually really love this one too. I feel like these two are dating. And that one over there is all the relationships I ever had before my husband. Garbage. This rotary cutter is the Martelli Ergo 2000 rotary cutter.
Wrong. Martelli rotary cutter.
I'm in love with this rotary cutter. When I'm using this, the height of the lock here does not bump into my pattern weights. My pattern weights, I use coasters for pattern weights because I'm cheap and they were free. So I really like this, that it sits pretty high and it doesn't bother my pattern weights when I'm cutting with it. Also, I really like that I can hold it like a handle here, and the safety switch is here. So I can lock it, unlock it, lock it, unlock it. And this little plastic shield kind of extends over the blade to protect me from harm. How neat is that? One-handed. Ow! Yes. Pop, lock, and dropping it with this one. Okay. It doesn't get caught on my ruler. That's my favorite. It's $15.99. It's down about $1.50 on sale on Amazon. And I'm saying, if you don't want to spend the money that it costs to get this one right here, this Martelli cutter Ergo 2000 is going to be a great option. Check this out. Say you forget to unlock it. Well, when you're rolling it across your fabric, it will unlock itself as you roll to remind you you have not unlocked that thing. It's getting a 5 out of 5. One, because the price is irresistible. It's $15.99. It doesn't come with a ton of extra blades, but the blade that it does have works quite well. I'm going to tell you that it's sharp. I love this locking mechanism. This is everything. I love that I can reach it with just one finger. I love that if I'm rolling this across my mat, it's going to unlock for me if I forget. I love the way this grip feels on this handle is everything. I am a big fan of this rotary cutter. Yes, it's going to get a 5 out of 5.
Party time! Don't touch my dancing.
Or you can dance with me. Okay, these right here are the two that are not my best friends, okay? We are not having coffee. We are not hanging out on the weekend. I'm not introducing these to my cats, okay? But I will tell you what they are good for. Cutting paper. So, listen here, folks. If you have a rotary cutter blade and you are just tossing that Jones in the trash because it's not sharp anymore, just take that rotary cutter blade, put it on an old rotary cutter, not this one because this one is new and still fails. Put it on an old rotary cutter and use it to cut your patterns. I mean, seriously, y'all, you will get so much done cutting your patterns with your old rotary blades. They are still very sharp. Even if they aren't cutting fabric, they cut through paper like butter. And we all know that anything with butter is good, right? Come on.
Anything with butter is
And I'm so glad you all came to hang out with me so that I could show you my favorite rotary cutters. I hope that you check out those links below, because if you need one or you're in the market for one, these right here, besties, okay? Bet you're gonna love them. Now that I've gotten that all out of the way.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, touch the notification bell, and remember that if you comment, also, you get put in the running for a $50 gift card for Ellie and Matt Patterns.
I think last week somebody actually commented the word comment. I died laughing. It was hilarious. I will see you all next week. I'm so glad you came to hang out with me today.